Dear colleagues, dear jury, thank you 1,000 times for giving me the Karel Čapek Medal. It's fantastic. I also want to thank the following: the Faroese Islands, a nation of 18 islands in the middle of the vast Atlantic Ocean, which in spite of having just 53,000 inhabitants, has fought for and eventually saved their ancient Faroese language. The Faroese authors for writing fantastic literature and for their patient readiness to help me in my translation work. The Faroese people and authorities for helping me with lodgings in Tórshavn during long and busy working periods, and for generous grants. The inspiring Faroese scenery, the mountains, the rivers, the bird cliffs, the green pasture land with the 70,000 sheep, the ocean, the storms, the rain, the beautiful capital Tórshavn, and the late Egil Lehmann for his excellent Faroese Norwegian dictionary. Thank you all.